So we are going to learn how to fold an octopus, even though Sid says...
And they can already fold. Technically, they can just squeeze, when someone's attacking them, they can just find a tiny hole in the C4 and squeeze into it, even if it's like this big. Because their body is super flexible and it can squeeze. So they can hide from predators that way.
Okay.
Even though the octopus is probably the predator, but I don't know, maybe octopuses do have predators.
Yeah, I think they do. But I think this particular octopus probably doesn't know how to fold because it's not really an octopus. It's an octopus that can fly, which is not a real...
That's not an octopus anymore.
Yeah. So let's try folding this octopus or helping the octopus learn how to fold.
Yeah.
However you look at it. So we have to fold this octopus and get it into this size bag. So let's try that. Okay. So I'm gonna try folding. That's the big octopus. Step one, we take its tail, its really long tail, and try to first fold the tail.
Actually, those are the tentacles.
Yeah, the tentacles. But I'm calling it a tail because
it's a kite. Well, no.
Well, technically it's an octopus that flies.
Yeah,
so
you can't really have tentacles if you're a land animal.
Yeah.
Unless you can.
Yes, so if you're a land animal, it becomes an octopus with a tail, or many tails, or 8 tails.
Yeah.
And then we fold the tail first, and then what we do is we make the octopus maybe like this. So technically now we have an octopus that's foldable, and we fold it like this first, and we fold it like this, and we fold it like this, roll it up like this, and then maybe Sid can do the rest. Or
Yeah, I'll stuff the handle in there,
yes,
and I'll roll it up more. It's actually more like crumbling it.
yeah,
Okay, so I'll get uncrumbled.
yes, and then we
We just have to
stuff it in the bag.
There's Velcro.
Yes, and
I don't think it's gonna fit.
I think maybe it needs another fold.
I don't know how to. I can just
One
roll
more.
it up.
Yeah, you can just roll it up.
I can't. Okay, thanks. It's probably not gonna fit, but as long as it goes inside, it'll keep it from flying away.
Yeah. And I think the bag is also waterproof, so it will probably keep it from swimming away.
Yeah. This octopus is now going to jail because he committed a crime against nature, which is flying as a sea animal. That cannot and shouldn't be done. I don't think it's going to go in anymore. Whatever. I guess this works.
Yep, that works.
Now
Okay, cool. Good job.
It.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I can't do this with one hand.
Okay, I'm gonna hold on to this.
Now we just. Can you stuff it? No. There we go. No, that works.
Okay, cool. Good job.